Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by preparing both devices. Power the HomePod Mini and confirm it updated. This avoids connection quirks. On Android, install a reliable AirPlay receiver app and enable Wi-Fi and Bluetooth. AirPlay needs network access. Once done, open the AirPlay app and place the HomePod on the same Wi-Fi network. Why? Because HomePod relies on MDNS to advertise itself. Make sure network isolation or client isolation is off. Otherwise, discovery will fail. Now connect. In the AirPlay receiver app, scan for devices. The HomePod should appear in the list through MDNS discovery. Select it as your output, and if available, adjust bitrate or buffer settings to reduce dropouts. Higher buffer helps on unstable Wi-Fi. If the app supports manual IP entry, use the HomePod's IP to force a connection. If AirPlay never connects, pair to the HomePod via Bluetooth as a fallback. Keeping in mind Bluetooth audio is lower quality. Finish by testing playback. Play music, podcasts, and confirm volume sync works. If you have 2 minis, verify stereo pairing in the Home app before streaming. Once done, make sure Android and HomePod remain on the same subnet. If problems occur, restart the router, reboot the HomePod and Android device. This clears MDNS cache. If discovery still fails, reset the HomePod and rejoin the Wi-Fi. This resolves stubborn pairing issues about 90% of the time.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.